Hi, good morning. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this is a lay flat plastic tubing. We use this lay flat tubing. Yes, cut a piece with our portable HEPA air scrubber. But in this case, we are gonna deodorize our own vacuum. This is our vacuum that we already removed the bags, but we are gonna take out the odor. So Davis is gonna insert our backpack into the tubing. One end we are gonna close. And the other end is gonna be in this restoration by Vaportek. Is a Vaportek restoration unit. This unit removes tough odors. Let me see if I can do a zoom. Let's see. Sorry. This unit delivers odor-neutralizing dry vapor for permanent odor control. Okay? This machine doesn't produce ozone or aerosol. So he is gonna close one end. Cierra uno con un tape o amárralo. Ciérralo bien. It's gonna close really tight. So he is gonna close one end with tape. And the other end. And this is a normal procedure in case right now we are gonna deodorize our own vacuum. But you can deodorize a shoes, a carpet, clothes, anything that will fit in that bag. Example, if the piece that you want to deodorize is bigger, you can put it in a container or a box, in a bigger box, and do the same procedure. In one end, the machine is gonna blow the dry vapor deodorizer. So exactly, that's what we're gonna do. Wrap it down. That's the concept. So a client is calling me right now. So this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and I hope this trick will help you. Thank you.